Hey everyone, Giller at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about protecting your hands, i.e. gloves. Now there are a whole bunch of different type of gloves you can get to protect your hands. You get gloves to protect your hands while you're working with grease. You can get gloves to protect your hands while you're working with rough wood so you don't get splinters. There's gloves you can get to protect your hands when you're working with hot metal. There are gloves you have to protect your hands when you're working with chemicals. There are gloves you have to protect your hands when you're in hot water doing dishes. There are all sorts of different gloves. I mean, these type of gloves, leather gloves, and when it's really cold out, wool gloves. So there are a lot of different type of gloves that you can get to protect your hands because no environment is always the same. All right, so think about it. What sort of gloves do you need to protect your hands? Because if you wind up starting to lose a few fingers here and there, you're going to be in trouble. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish, like working without gloves. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. Also, plant a garden. If you have a garden going, great. Try expanding it. If you don't have a garden going, start one. And even if you do have one going outside, try growing some stuff indoors so you can have vegetables year-round, because the crap they're spraying on the vegetables in the store is ridiculous. And now they're talking about putting vaccines into vegetables at the stores. And they're trying to do it where they don't have to tell you that this one has it in it. So you need to grow your own food.